Like to know how to sharpen your Swiss Army knife with a knife sharpener, you came to the right person. Daily done. This one's really dull. I've never used it really. I've polished it and everything. But the last step is you take your kitchen knife sharpener, you do it like that, and then you do that, and you keep dragging it. And you do the same thing with the tip. You gently, like that. And then I'll show you how sharp it is. This is how I sharpen my knife. This is how I sharpen a rounded one. It's a big process. It takes quite a few minutes to get it razor sharp. 20 degrees angle is how you want to do it. And you want to switch it to a 12 degrees angle, 13 degree angle like this, straight down. Then you do this. And you keep it up. You gotta make sure it sounds like this. Like scraping noise. Like a loud, sharp noise. I don't think anybody else has ever done this on a video except me. Unless you have figured it out. In case you haven't already noticed, this video is called How to Sharpen Your Swiss Army Knife with a Kitchen Knife Sharpener. It's a big, long type-in. I worked really hard. I'm working really hard. This is really tiring. I'm sick of doing this every time. This is one of my first ones. And so it doesn't make that sharp noise. Then you feel the blade. It's less sharp, but maybe it's less sharp. Nope. Now let me go grab something to show you how sharp it is now. Look at this. Look at this. What? Oh, I messed up. What? I'm gonna get sharp. Don't do that at home. If you can do that, it's sharp. Don't ever do what I just did. I've done this for a long time. It's very risky. Last time, you do one more strike on each side, like that. Do one like up here, like that. Then you go right here, and then you go right there, like that. And then you want to, on the back of the blade, two. Do that. There. Now let's check. Now look. Let me get it. Cut. And that's how you know your knife is sharp. As it can get. Then you do this. And then you get a piece of cardboard to get all the knife shards off, and you slice on the cardboard. Oh yeah, that just did it like butter. Now you got a sharper than razor sharp blade. Bye everybody. Subscribe and like.